The little rabbit is so cute. It must be delicious. Mango cut out pulp. Pour into the crusher. Add a little sodium alginate in water. Puree. Cover with plastic wrap and let stand. Prepare another bowl of water. Add calcium carbonate. Stir until completely melted. I used a 5 ml scoops. Mango made this way. The popping beads will be a little bigger. It really seems like I'm doing an experiment. Transparent is coconut water. The red one is strawberry juice. Pour in white jelly. The ratio is approximately 20:1. Just heat it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Use drop hanging to show off the ears. After it solidifies slightly, pour in the other half. Place in the refrigerator for half an hour. Be careful when applying. Don't let your ears fall off. Finally, decorate the stem with chocolate. Wow, this little bunny is so cute. Each one is super short, and it will also explode. The refreshing and slightly sweet taste of coconut, served with rich mango sauce. Come and make it for the one you love.